Have you ever felt like your life is shifting in ways you cannot explain? Like you are standing on the edge of something monumental, something divine? Watch closely because what you are experiencing could be the ultimate stage of spiritual awakening. And trust me, this is not something you want to miss. It begins with an unsettling realization. The life you once chased, money, status, approval, suddenly feels hollow. Material things no longer excite you as they used to. You are drawn inward, questioning everything. Why am I here? Who am I really? This is your soul whispering that you are ready to rise beyond the illusions of this world. You start noticing strange coincidences, or are they? Seeing repeating numbers, meeting the right people at just the right moment. It feels as if the whole universe is conspiring in your favor. But here's the truth, these are not coincidences, they are the signs that you are aligned with the higher frequency and the universe is speaking directly to you. Then comes the storm, old wounds, suppressed fears, unresolved pain. Everything surfaces, hitting you like a tidal wave. You feel like you are falling apart, but don't panic. This is the purification process, clearing the path for your true self to emerge. Remember, the lotus blooms only after writhing through the mud. As the storm passes, something miraculous happens. You start to feel deeply connected, not just to people, but to everything. The breeze, the stars, the trees, they all seem alive as if the whole universe is breathing with you. This is oneness, the hallmark of a spiritually awakened soul. You are no longer just living, you are being. Your mind, once cluttered with doubts, becomes crystal clear. Decisions flow effortlessly, and you feel guided by an invisible hand. It's as if you have tapped into the infinite wisdom of the cosmos. What's happening? You have shed the ego's noise and awakened the voice of your higher self. And then the rarest gift of all, unshakable peace. Chaos swirls around you, but inside you are calm. You understand that everything, even pain, has a purpose. This is the ultimate freedom, detachment from the external and complete surrender to the divine. So, are you experiencing these signs? If you are, congratulations! You are closer than ever to transcending the ordinary and unlocking your highest potential. But remember, awakening is not a destination, it's a journey. Embrace it fully. And if this resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into your spiritual path. The next step in your awakening might be just one video away.